Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get sound on Reddit. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Reddit, click the Join Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, getting sound on Reddit can enhance your experience because it will allow you to fully experience audio-visual content on Reddit, such as videos, music performances, podcasts, and interviews. Obviously, it adds another dimension to the content beyond just visuals because sound can make posts more engaging and immersive, and of course, it can captivate the attention, encourages users to interact more deeply with the content by listening to audio cues or dialogues. All right, now I'm gonna switch over to the mobile device because it's a lot easier to put sound on your post. But again, you can also do this on the mobile app. So I'm switching over to the Reddit app itself. Now, once you are on the Reddit app on your mobile device, I need you to hover to your profile account. And then I need you to click on the settings. Now once you are here, I need you to make sure that you go to the feed settings. All right. Because that is the section that we can customize the information that's going to appear on the Reddit app for us to be able to get a sound. And then from here, now please do note that in the Reddit, some videos cannot have sounds because, Reddit is very strict on that department. And if you are an iOS users, I need you to go to the App Store and look for the Apollo for Reddit. And you see the one below? I'm gonna click on it. Now, once you have installed the Apollo for Reddit, all you're gonna do is just follow the on-screen instructions and log in using your Reddit account, all right? And after that, you would be able to successfully make or get a sound on Reddit post, all right? It's a very straightforward process. And let me tell you that once you have done that, getting sound on Reddit enriches your browsing experience by allowing you to engage more fully with a diverse range of audio-visual content, enhancing entertainment, learning, and community interaction within the platform. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.